Hello everyone, welcome to bittercode. In this video, I will take you through how you can download and install Postman in your system. So for that, you have to just go to the browser and search for Postman and hit enter. So once you search for that, you can see in the first result we are getting Postman. So just click on that and it will open the official site for the Postman. And here, if you scroll down, you can see there is something like downloads. So download the app. Just click on that. Once you click on that, the downloads page will open. If you are not getting that, I will paste this URL in the description also. And here, if you scroll down, you can see a window for Windows 64 with this app is available. So you can just click on this Windows 64. So it will download the installer for your system. So you can see now it is downloading for now. So let it download, and I will be back once the download is completed. So now the download has been completed, and you have to just click on this. So it will start the installation. So you can see the installer window has been started and it is completed also. And here it is giving option to create an account or sign in. So you can just click on create an account and it will go to the Postman URL. And here you can scroll down and sign up with Google, or you can enter your details and create an account also. So I will go with the sign up with Google, and here just select the account and accept it. Click on open Postman. And now you can see the like logged in Postman will be opened. And yeah, so it is open now, and here you have to enter the name. So just enter bitter code and you can select the role. You can keep anything as per your differences. Leave it. Click on continue, and you can click on like add some more people, but for now I will continue without team. And if you have some existing file to be imported in Postman, you can do it from here, or you can exit it. So I'm just exiting it, and now it is ready to use. So to run any sample REST request, you can just click on plus symbol, and here you have to enter the request. So let's say we wanted to run some sample REST. So I'm just searching for sample REST API, and here you will get the response request response.in, req So here scroll down and you can see this API. So I'm just copying this API URL and pasting it here so that we can check whether it is running or not. And this from here you can select the type. So for now it is get. Click on send. So once we send, you can see the response is coming here. That means our Postman is working fine. So in this way, you can download, install, and run Postman in your system. So that's all for today. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.